When a front door starts swelling, sticking, or warping in hot weather, it's almost always a reaction to heat and moisture working together. As temperatures rise, materials like wood and composite cores naturally expand. Add summer humidity or storm-driven moisture, and that expansion increases even more. Doors absorb moisture through weakened finishes, seams, and edges, causing them to grow slightly in size, often just enough to rub against the frame, stick when opening or closing, or feel misaligned. The problem is made worse by uneven exposure. Sun-facing sections of the door heat up faster and dry out more quickly than shaded areas, creating internal stress. This imbalance causes doors to bow, twist, or cup over time. The edges and panels are especially vulnerable because they're thinner and more likely to lose their protective seal first. Once moisture gets in, repeated heating and cooling cycles lock in the distortion, making warping more permanent with each passing summer. Many homeowners try to fix the issue by sanding edges or adjusting hinges, but these are temporary solutions that don't address the root cause. Trimming the door removes material and can expose unsealed wood, allowing even more moisture to enter. The real fix is restoring a durable, flexible finish that blocks heat and moisture while allowing the door to move naturally. Without that protection, swelling and sticking will continue season after season until the door is too distorted to function properly. Door Renew can provide that protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.